Hello social netizens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. I am glad you could make it here. Happy New Year. I hope your year has started well, and if it hasn't, well, there's still time. Anyway, so today we are going to do a different video. I don't think you've ever seen a hair related video on my channel, but that's what we're gonna do today. So we are using plating braid hair braid to do a DIY hair extension, and I am using 1.5 braids. This one is this is the full braid, and this is the half braid. I don't know whether you can see the difference. Well, it's the same company, but I don't know how to put it. So this one was had a name Rwandese on the packet, and this one is Angels. Yeah, Angels, the long one. And shout out to Angels, please give me a job. Yeah, so I will join this to make the volume, to make it more voluminous. I hope that's what it said. So I am using this hair food to prevent the braid from fraying. Like that. And I'll use this hairband to hold it together. So I don't think I'll be trimming the braid, because I might use it to plait my hair sometimes later on. Wow. There you go. So my hair is up in a little high bun, and here's my braid. So we are going to tie this one around here like this. And voila, like that. So you can opt to leave it that way, and flip your hair like that. Oh, and you're supposed to pick a little of the hair like this. Oopsie. And wrap it around wrap it around the bun like this. So that's style number one. So style number two, you can okay, we can't call this one a style number two, but you can opt to, have your hair on like this, like that, or number three, you can opt to like just take this one around your bun, like that. And then you secure it with a bobby pin. I don't have one at the moment. Yeah, you secure it like that. Such a cute high bun. So that's all I had for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to try something, one of the ways that I've shown you in the future. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and share and comment and tell a friend to tell a friend, and see you around. Bye.